Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to find the YouTube Creator section on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to access this section and enhance your YouTube experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Click on the menu bar. Look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger icon, located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Carefully scroll through the menu options until you reach the bottom. Step 4. Click on Creators. At the bottom of the menu, you will find the Creators option. Click on it to access the YouTube Creators section. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and access the YouTube Creators section on your PC. This section provides valuable resources, tools, and insights to help you optimize and grow your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was helpful in guiding you through the process of finding the YouTube Creators section on your PC. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tutorials. Happy creating!